Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel with me Eva Juliana in English lessons. Now we are going to study together about this topic. What do you think about? What do you think about? What do you think about my fail? What do you think about this one? What do you think about my phone? So our lesson today we are going to discuss about what do you think about. Jadi materi kita kali ini adalah tentang bagaimana menurutmu, apa pendapatmu tentang hijab ini, apa pendapatmu tentang spidol ini, apa pendapatmu tentang kacamata ini. Nah, menanyakan pendapat kepada teman tentang sesuatu hal. Nah, itu adalah materi it's English speaking basic, materi bahasa Inggris dasar. Kita cek yuk. Let's get started. Guys, dalam video kali ini kita akan belajar tentang materi what do you think about, belakangnya tambahan verb ing. Verb ing. These questions ask someone their opinion about a topic. This question asks someone their opinion about a topic. So if you have a topic like what do you think about my new shoes? Gimana pendapatmu tentang ini, sepatu baruku? So in here are same example. I have some examples. Jadi ini adalah menanyakan tentang pendapat terhadap suatu topik atau terhadap sesuatu benda yang kita miliki, atau terhadap suatu permasalahan atau apa, yang penting meminta pendapat seseorang. Contohnya, what do you think about having a cup of tea with me? A cup of tea with me. Gimana menurutmu kalau minum teh denganku? Bagaimana menurutmu kalau kita minum teh? Bagaimana menurutmu minum teh denganku? Intinya mengajak minum teh ya. What do you think about working? Oh, I'm sorry. It should become here because having is different. Jadi ini tadi having itu punyanya ini. Jadi ini harusnya ke sini ya. Nggak ada havingnya di sini. What do you think about working? Jadi ini semua langsung ke sini. Posisinya ada di sini. Jadi posisinya ada di sini. Oke. What do you think about working overtime next week? Gimana menurutmu kalau kita bekerja? Gimana menurutmu kalau bekerja lembur? Jadi ini artinya lembur, bekerja lembur. Bekerja lembur. Yang ini tadi meminta pendapat. Meminta pendapat. Kalau yang ini bagaimana menurutmu? Bagaimana menurutmu? Bagaimana menurutmu tentang ini gitu ya. Kalau what is your opinion? Apa pendapatmu? Kalau ini what do you think? Bagaimana menurutmu bekerja lembur minggu depan? Gimana kalau bekerja lembur minggu depan? Jadi meminta pendapat. What do you think about waiting in line for tickets? Waiting in line for tickets. Bagaimana menurutmu mengantri tiket? Ngantri tiket itu menurutmu gimana sih? What do you think about sailing? Sailing itu berlayar. Bagaimana menurutmu kalau berlayar? Jadi sailing berlayar. Minum teh, minum secangkir teh. Menunggu atau mengantri ya intinya. Staying here another night. Gimana kalau tinggal di sini semalam lagi? What do you think staying here another night? Gimana kalau tinggal di sini semalam lagi? Staying here, tinggal di sini. Tinggal di sini semalam lagi. Terus, what do you think about retiring new trees in a backyard? What do you think about retiring new trees in the backyard? Bagaimana menurutmu kalau menanam pohon-pohon yang baru di belakang rumah atau di halaman belakang? Halaman belakang, yang ini halaman belakang, yang ini new trees adalah pohon-pohon yang baru. Retiring, menanam pohon-pohon yang baru. Kalau yang ini, what do you think about offering to babysit? Bagaimana menurutmu kalau menawarkan pengasuh atau mencari pengasuh? Jadi ini adalah pengasuh. Misalkan punya anak kecil, what do you think about offering to babysit? Gimana kalau cari pengasuh? What do you think about living in a new city? Tinggal di kota baru, di sebuah kota yang baru. What do you think about filming our vacation? Gimana kalau syuting, kita rekam perjalanan kita rekam jalan-jalan kita? What do you think about filming our vacation? Terus yang ini, make a paragraph about your opinion. Make paragraph about your opinion of Bali Island. Do you know Bali? Bali ya. Bali itu adalah tempat yang sangat bagus, bisa kalian kunjungi di Indonesia. You can come here to visit Bali Island. What your opinion? Make a paragraph. So paragraph is like this, and you may answer and tell about your opinion of Bali Island. Ceritakan gimana sih Bali? Menurutmu, menurut pendapatmu, Bali itu kayak gimana? Nah, kayak gini. In my opinion, Bali is beautiful and exotic island. Jadi Bali itu indah, pulau yang sangat eksotis. Bali has a pretty lovely scenery. Pokoknya suasananya, semuanya, scene-nya bagus. Bali is the perfect place for make skin become black. Nah, biasanya turis-turis tuh suka berjemur kan. Nah, menurut mereka Bali is the perfect place for make skin become black. Jadi kalau kulit mereka putih, ke sana cepet kali ya untuk berjemur dan kulitnya jadi hitam. Nggak hitam sih, cuman eksotik juga kayak pulaunya. Bali is really known because their amazing sea such as Kuta Beach. Jadi Bali itu really known, terkenal karena Bali is really known because their amazing sea such as Kuta Beach. Jadi Bali itu sungguh sangat terkenal karena lautnya sangat menakjubkan, yaitu adalah Pantai Kuta. Did you ever come there? Did you ever visit Kuta Beach? Ya, Kuta Beach itu memang indah sekali. What do you think about Bali? Menurutmu Bali itu kayak gimana sih? Nah, kalau ini your opinion in paragraph. Kalau yang ini what do you think? Menurutmu Bali itu gimana? Jadi agak lebih singkat lagi kalau what do you think about Bali. I think Bali is the smallest province of Indonesia. I think Bali is the smallest province of Indonesia, but it's a wonderful and beautiful island. Pokoknya intinya Bali itu menurutku Bali itu pulau provinsi yang terkecil di Indonesia, tapi sangat menakjubkan dan juga indah, pulau yang sangat indah. Oke, teman-teman, kita belajar sama-sama dan kita baca mulai dari sini ya. What do you think about having a cup of tea with me? What do you think about working overtime next week? What do you think about waiting in line for tickets? What do you think about sailing? What do you think about staying here another night? What do you think about retiring new trees in the backyard? What do you think about offering to babysit? What do you think about living in a new city, not new car? What do you think about living in a new city? What do you think about filming our vacation? In my opinion, jadi kalau di sini ditanya your opinion, harus jawab in my opinion. Kalau di sana what do you think, berarti I think. In my opinion, Bali is a beautiful and exotic island. Bali has a pretty lovely scenery, and Bali is the perfect place for make skin become black. Bali is really known because there are amazing sea such as Kuta Beach. I think Bali is the smallest province of Indonesia, but it's a wonderful and beautiful island. Nah, itu tadi. So, kalian coba bikin tanya jawab sama temannya. Kayak, what do you think about my phone? What do you think about this? Bebas, silahkan saja mulai speaking dari sekarang, mulai berbicara dari sekarang dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Oke, good luck. Yeah, that's about. What do you think about having a cup of coffee with me after this? We will meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.